Okay, so at this point, once you're signed into Knovio and you've uploaded something, like I just have a PowerPoint slide, I've just uploaded to Knovio, my Knovio tutorial. So what I'm going to do is just show you a few of the features. The first thing that I might do is press record, and I'm going to be put onto a page where I can see the different slides that I have posted up. And you can see that I can add another slide if I wanted to. And I can add speaker notes. So if I want to type out what I'm saying, and then press done, and then those will be up with the slide as we go along. So that's number one. And then of course, I could set up my camera and my microphone so I can have myself viewed in this, and I can also just have an audio as well. So here's the record slide. So maybe I will start recording for this slide. And you can see that it's a maximum of 10 minutes when it's a free account. So let's see, maybe I'll go to the next one. You can see also I can end chapter, title, footnotes. So I can put in a footnote for that first page if I need to, and I might just put part 1 because I'm doing a series here right now to explain. So that I go to the next slide.